You've made perfection your life's pursuit. But it doesn't happen by chance. It happens when passion meets purpose. When the mastery of a skill empowers you to enjoy the thrill of the ride. Where even the smallest of details make a difference. How the interplay between the forces of luxury and performance elevate you to new heights. It's stately, yet has an aggressive presence. Timeless in design, while being at the forefront of innovation. And when it all comes together, something truly extraordinary is created. It's time to push forward in finding your